Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to apply spackle to cover up some imperfections. Okay, spackling and joint compound are sort of two universal terms that can sort of mean the same thing, but for this video, we're going to talk about spackle, lightweight spackle in particular. This is a very useful, very versatile material that you can use to apply to nail holes, to miter joints, to small imperfections in the wall. And really the best part about the lightweight stuff is that it dries in as quick as 30 minutes. And so you can do a little bit of sanding and painting almost, right away, really. You don't have to wait that long. You can use your finger, you can use a putty knife. It's great for you renters that maybe put holes in the walls and you need to patch it before the landlord comes to do their inspection before you move out. So you're gonna first clean up the hole so it's as smooth as possible. Then you're gonna apply that first coat over the top. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make is you try to do too heavy of a coat, and then what happens is too heavy, it shrinks, it doesn't look good. So you're gonna apply a nice thin coat just to set it, and now walk away. Then you're gonna come back and do a second coat over the top of that, and then getting a little bit wider with the second coat. You're gonna allow that to dry. The trick is that you don't wanna apply too heavy of a coat. It's really for small repairs. Anything larger will need joint compound and bigger knives, but for those small little imperfections that you're trying to remedy, lightweight spackle is the way to go.